nhớ rằng lọ bé cờ luôn mong đua nè. Hi, we'll learn to speak Hmong again. My mother, cú nia. My mother, cú nia. My mother's mother or my grandma, cú nia tai. My grandma, cú nia tai. My father, cú chí. My father, cú chí. My father's mother, cú po. My father's mother or my grandma, cú po. My father's father, cú dơ. My father's father or my grandpa, cú dơ. My mother's father or my grandpa, cú dơ chí. My grandpa, cú dơ chí. My sons, cú tu tú. My sons, cú tu tú. My daughter, cú tun chai. My daughter, cú tun chai. If you are a boy and you say my sister, cú tu mùa. My sister, cú tu mùa. If you are a girl and you say my older sister, cú tu niên lao. My older sister, cú tu niên lao. If you are a boy and you say my older sister, cú tu mùa lo. My older sister, cú tu mùa lo. If you are a boy and you say my younger sister, cú tu mùa dâu. My younger sister, cú tu mùa dâu. Now, if you are a girl and you say my younger sister, cú tu niên lùa. My younger sister, cú tu niên lùa. I think we'll just stop here. I worry that you will not remember everything, so we'll learn different words in the next video clip. Thank you to learn with me. Watch out, có là cờ đó cũ nè. Bye bye. Xin chào.